The big story at 4, testimony is on hold in a capital murder trial in Mobile. We were expecting ballistic experts to testify about the shooting that claimed the life of a 9-year-old girl, but WKRG News 5's Christina J. Harris is here to explain why the judge sent everyone home. So what happened?
Cherish, testimony was set to resume in the capital murder trial of Darius Lucky, but the jury never stepped into the courtroom. Darius Lucky is accused of killing 9-year-old Cailee Knight in 2023. She was sleeping on her couch when prosecutors say Lucky and others shot into her home on Rhett Drive. Before testimony could resume Monday, defense attorneys requested court transcripts from an MPD homicide detective who testified last week.
Basically, there was some evidence that was admitted, and there's argument into whether or not that evidence should have been admitted, and we believe that review of his testimony transcript would be very helpful to determine what needs to happen from this point.
It's not anything unusual. Trials are very fluid situations, and so these kinds of matters pop up from time to time. But we want to make sure that everything is done the right way.
Another reason for the delay? Debate over a phone recovered and submitted as evidence. The phone picked up when Lucky was arrested.
It's our contention that it was not his phone and that there's not adequate evidence to state that it is his phone. And that's part of the reason for this break as well, is to see if they are able to get that evidence to determine whether or not it was ever his phone or ever in his possession.
We have lined up a witness to come sort of shore that up, and that resulted in a request for some body cam footage. So we're happy to provide that to the defense as well.
Testimony is expected to resume Wednesday morning. Live in the studio, I'm Christina J. Harris, WKRG News 5.